Round 2, the barbecue test. We want to see if the flue side is warm enough to grill a sausage. We started the fire with 1 bag of black wattle wood. After half an hour, we only reached 35 degrees Celsius. That was not warm enough, so we added a second batch of wood. Half an hour later, the ideal heat for a jacuzzi is ± 37 degrees Celsius. With the second bag of wood, our tub reached 42 degrees Celsius. This is too warm for a jacuzzi. We do not want to make soup. But the flue side was not warm enough to cook the sausages. So the barbecue idea is a fail, but we did confirm that our tub is very efficient. From a safety point of view, it is probably better that the flue side is not too warm, so we at least know people will not burn themselves. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to our channel.